my name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free indie who loves to play with makeup, and of course you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is actually going to be something that I have not tried with two colors together. Purple, not purple, blue, and silver. And that's just because I'm always playing with gold and everything else. But yeah, and I'm not wearing this shirt. It's not a shirt. It's like a few years old, but I have types. They're actually my favorite fish shark animals. Cats. So I can give you so many details. You just want to make sure that's the type of stroke. But that's here and there. So 2000 we're using is Profusion Sapphires and Karity Frost. This palette is, I don't know how many years it is. Supposed to be 24 months, but it's more than 2 years. But I don't care, it still works. The silver I'm going to be using is Beverly. Right, this shade right here. This has no mattes, this only has shimmers, which I do like about this palette. Because sometimes I like to see what products will work better with what. But yeah. So we're definitely going to play with the darker blues. Because I am going to wear a blue, white, and black outfit, but I'm not going to make it like a super glam look, I think, because I am going out today, so with my brother and his kids, so yay. So I already did my eyebrows. I used the WetnWild UltimateBrow kit in medium. This stuff is like my all-time favorite. I've been loving brow products lately, but I really do like this. The other one I did use is City Color, and I do think that one's really good. That's probably more affordable than this. And then for brow gels or brow freeze, I used Anastasia's brow freeze brow serum. I love this stuff. I got this for a review for a site, and I really do like this stuff. So yeah. Stays on, that's for sure. So like I said, this is not like a glam look. We're trying to make it not glam. It's kind of hard to say, but yeah. I'm gonna use Nautical. It's this shade right here. And for eyeshadow base, I use, sorry, I got cat hair. I use Milani eyeshadow primer, which I do need to get more of. But yeah, you got my coffee? I love cats. For the longest bit, for many years, I used sugar in my coffee. And this past year, and possibly in the last year, for my coffee, that's all. That's not what it's on. I think in this past year I have been not using the sugar. I might skip, I use stevia, but so I'm gonna put this. Right, I'm just. Okay. These shades are really pretty. Like, I do recommend Profusion. Like, I've been using Profusion since I started this channel. I only had like 2 black products for them. The rest are different. My brother's taking kids out of school today, and just have fun with the kids. He has a week off, and Thanksgiving coming up, so see. I thought this would be a perfect holiday season look. Plus, whatever, you know. So to blend this out a little bit, I'm going to use Mellow. This is a nice, I'm definitely going to get through new palettes in the holiday palettes, I believe. I didn't get the limited edition ones. I just didn't care for it. The Mean Girl. I never been a chick flick girl. I've been a sci-fi, B-rated movies. So I never seem to. I'm not even a chick yet. As you can see, is like this can be a complete standalone palette. I believe. Yeah. You like blue. We'll go back. Just speeding this up just a tad bit. I'm going to use Contour. Just straight darker blue. Like a really Rockin' is like a more purpley blue and everything else, but I just want to go top. Just have a nice definition to it. And there's a little shimmer, but it's okay. They've been getting like this, like since I played my gem palette. And we'll put it right here and out here and just connect it right there. It does have a little fallout, just a tiny bit, but it's not too much. I'm very light with my product. I don't like to dig because you really don't need to dig into your palette to get this. Unless it's like a really little one, which I kind of just feel. I don't know if I want to smoke it out. Okay, that's it, because if I go any more, I'm going to be like, I don't like it, I want to start over. But trust the process. That's what I've learned, and it's what people have said many times. If you don't like the eyeshadow look that's coming out, just trust the process. You will be surprised. So, okay, we're going to use NYX Glitter Glue. This will help with anything of shimmer. It will help to opaque. I do have a, not a glitter, but a shimmer one. I'm not seeing. This is not the true silver, but it will work for what we need to do. So I'm going to use FL and Karity. Huh? I don't know if I did a blue or silver. Well, to be honest. But there's a green for it, well. Sorry, that people just like what's in here. Okay, I think that's gonna be nice. One thing, go back to some of these shades just to have them blend just effortlessly a little bit. And just hopefully this comes out. But I mean, that's really not bad. Look, I do like it. Not really fun, but I wanted this to have more, as you see, more movement. Like, wow, that's really pretty. Like I said, trust the process. I put that blusher. So I'll be right back. I'm going to finish this eye and possibly finish with my face makeup because I just feel like that's just a little bit way too hard. But if you want me to do like a face thing and everything else, just button it down and come down. So yeah, I'll be right back. I thought my freaking camera was on. Of course it wasn't. So what I did to underneath my eyes, I used Bermuda at the Royal Lash, and then I used Koki's eyeliner pencil in, if I can find it. So I'm like, this down, and I'm like, no, don't do that. Koki's Royal Blue. This stuff is really good. I really do like this. And then the mascara, I use the Too Faced 76. That's actually has become my favorite mascara lately. Lipstick I'm using just to see. It's NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup, blah blah blah. Satin Ribbon. I'm a little bit talking it up. It's so good. I'm going to use NYX soft side this time bit. Just dabbing it. Because that was a bit lip drying and the what else is that around? Yay. So I think it's really pretty. Okay. Then for lip gloss, I'm going to use Beauty Creations Ultra Dazzle Lip Gloss. And, go take this. Let's go on this one. I really like their lip glosses, like in their moisturizing. Like that's really super glossy. This is, I think, the most beautiful one. So yeah, this is the finished look. You know, I'm just like not doing that. I'm just like, eh. You know, but in the thumbnail, you see the color of the shirt. This is so pretty. Okay. So this is the finished look. I really do like this look. I'm gonna come back with the shirt, the dress up for outfit that I'm wearing. I really did like it. So yeah. So guys, hit the like button if you like the video. Don't forget the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. And of course, hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos. So guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. And I love you. And God bless. Bye.